Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today I'm sharing the Revive Fall Box 2024. This is their seasonal box. So spring, summer, fall, winter, you can subscribe and save $10 on the box, which makes it $55 a quarter, which is not bad. And then also you can just go on, if you see, they do release what's going to be in the box. If you don't want it to be a surprise, you can just go after they release what's in it and purchase it for $65. But anyways, we love a subscription box over here. And this is the Fall Box 2024. So this is what you get when you open it. There are some stickers. There is, we like to put these on our water bottles and stuff too. It's impossible to watch a sunset and not dream. Oils and sweater weather, love that one. And then also the top labels for the tops of the bottles. I love essential oils, life is short, make it sweet with a little pie, fall is in the air. And then you have all of your goodies inside. Make sure it's focusing inside the box. Ooh, I am just now running out of my dry shampoo. How did they know? So this is a healthy hair dry shampoo. How do you open it? You don't. It's like a powder, I think. Oh, yep. So the top of the lid is kind of like an old-fashioned, old-school baby powder that I hope no one uses anymore. Let's see if I can get a smell. Does it smell like anything? I'm sure they have. Can't open it. This is baking soda, arrowroot, rosemary, lavender, cedar, thyme, peppermint, geranium, tea tree, and lemongrass. So lots of good oils. I really love, I have the, what is the brand? Aveda dry shampoo, and it's similar. They use all natural products, ingredients too. Let's see if it smells good. Okay, I feel like I don't want to snort it. It smells very light, but good. It looks like it's going to be good for blonde hair. Pro tip, if you do have dark hair, you can add a tiny bit of cocoa powder to it to tint it if you want. But from my experience, if you use a light amount, and if you're using it, dump some in your hand and use a big fluffy brush and pat it into your roots and really massage it in, it really does just like absorb and rub in. But anyways, next you get, how many oils? 5 different bottles in here. Let's see what we got. I'm sure you're following them on Instagram too, because they share what's in their boxes on there one by one. So we have, Masoya bark. So this is, I don't know. This is an oil I've never heard of, which is exciting because you get to try new things. That's why I love the Simply Earth recipe box too, or subscription box. Strong off the bat. Ooh, what is this? This smells so interesting. What in the heck does this smell like? It's like chocolatey. It smells like chocolate. It smells really good. I'd have to look this one up. What is Masoya bark? So if you're looking for an essential oil whose scent radiates the essence of fall, Masoya, and I might be saying that wrong, bark is it, with a toasty, sweet, and caramel-like. Yes, it's like caramel, like chocolatey caramel. Oh my gosh, it is like caramel. The calming oil is ideal for creating all sorts of blends for fall. Properties of this oil, so every essential oil has constituents that give it its benefits. So this one's anti-inflammatory, antifungal, digestive, expectorant, and more. So lots of different benefits, but also just like really smells so interesting and so good. Mixed with different fall scents, this is going to be so good, and I've never heard of that. I love this. Grandma's Pie. This is the next one. This is a blend, obviously. There's not an essential oil called that. So this one is cinnamon, Roman chamomile, cassia, lemongrass, bergamot, grapefruit, Peru balsam, and nutmeg. So let's give Grandma's Pie a little sniff. That smells so good. How does it smell like apple pie? It's sweet, but what am I picking up? Wow. The lemongrass in here is so covered up that it smells like sweet and apple pie. With lemongrass mixed with all those others, this is an amazing blend, you guys. Like, for real. This smells so good. I cannot stop smelling it. Weather. This one is a blend of, let's see, it doesn't say on there. Let's just read it from the bottle. I need some glasses. Lime, cedarwood, Palo Santo, bay laurel, and patchouli. Love patchouli. On the website it says, is like a warm hug of tranquility and comfort, woodsy, fresh, reminiscent of autumn air, bellowing through the color-changing leaves. The synergy promotes relaxation and peace, just like your favorite cozy sweater. Fall scents are my favorite, you guys. There's like, summer scents are great, spring, floral, winter, whatever, but fall, what the heck? Fall scents are great. This smells good. I think you might have to love patchouli though, and Palo Santo. Those are two, you have to love those scents. You either love or hate them. This is warm and comforting, exactly what they said on the thing. White spruce is next. This is a beautiful conifer called white spruce, straight from the Canadian evergreen forest. We love Canada. White spruce smells like a cross between black spruce and birch. So this is a single essential oil. Picea glauca, can't pronounce the Latin names. Yes. When I think of spruces or like tree oils though, I do think Christmas. This one's a little bit more warm and not as like straight like tree. This one smells really good. White spruce, autumn sunset. So I love that because we don't think of sunset in the fall, but we still have a sunset every single day. And really, it's just as beautiful. So this one says, picture this, it's a cool fall evening. There's a slight breeze in the air and leaves falling when you look up just in time to catch a glimpse of the glowing orange sun setting behind the trees. And that's exactly what we saw last night on our drive home from where we were. The sun was like a huge orange ball, and it just is like something, there is something about an autumn sunset. This one is not my favorite. It reminds me of lemongrass, but oddly it doesn't have lemongrass. It's Litsia. I don't even know what that essential oil is. Maybe that's the one I don't like and that I'm picking up the most. Grapefruit, orange, holy basil, juniper berry, and cedarwood. It's too potent in a lemongrassy way, but so many people love lemongrass, so I feel like a lot of people would really like that. But anyways, you can't love them all. I love Grandma's Pie and Sweata Weather, and then I'm really excited about the dry shampoo. I'll let you guys know, this is similar to the one that I make myself with arrowroot, baking soda, and then your essential oils. Very simple, and I actually have that in right now, my DIY blend with that, and I really love it. Our dry shampoo is my favorite. The aerosol cans, first of all, not good for the environment, and also fragrance and so many ingredients that you don't want. So making it is going to be your best bet. But anyways, that is the fall 2024 box. Let me know if you're excited. It's just really fun to get these boxes because you get to try new oils like this one that smells like caramel. Who knew there was an essential oil that smelled like a warm caramel like dip? That is it for this video. Let me know what you think. Have a great day, and thanks for watching to the end. Bye.